Hi folks, Harvey here. I have got the coolest bike around. You've got to come and see this and take a test drive. Definitely will not want to give it back. Just go over a few things. Has tank protection, custom gas cap, custom mirrors, custom brake reservoirs, custom wheels, Ducati LED turn signals, carbon fiber fairing, this motorcycle is the bomb.
I see that. Treat yourself.
It's got a Panigale tail section, very cool.
Yep, I see that too.
This bike has 1,000 miles, and it has had its 1,000 mile service. This is a must-see. It's valued to sell quickly. Come on down.